All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the live stream and the court is calling case number SP 9680671. Courtney Janelle Dixon.
Your Honor,
for a show cause. Yes, ma'am.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Dixon, the people's data record.
Ms. Soroki, I'm still calling the case. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. This is driver's license suspended, repeat offender. Count two, the same ticket is no insurance. Now, if Ms. Courtney Dixon is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Courtney Dixon.
Thank you. And now, Ms. Soroki, your appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Dixon. At this time, we ask any warrants be set aside.
So ordered.
The people have made a recommendation that the suspended license would be dismissed and the no insurance will be amended to improper plate. My client's waiving her rights at this time.
All right, Ms. Dixon, you've heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Dixon, were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yes.
And ma'am, normally, if you were to have a trial, it would take place in person inside the 36th District Court. But because of the pandemic, the courthouse is closed to the public. And so you have agreed to participate on the Zoom technology today. Is that right?
Yes.
Ms. Dixon, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about all of your rights?
Yes.
Ma'am, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Ms. Dixon, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty, you will be waiving or giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Dixon, please raise your right hand and be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
Ms. Dixon, you may lower your hand. On the date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 680672, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you stopped by a police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Did that officer ask you for valid insurance?
Yes.
Did you have any valid insurance?
Not in the car.
Okay. Ms. Soroki, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. The court is going to accept the guilty plea, being satisfied with the factual basis. We will accept the prosecutor's recommendation to amend that charge to improper plates and dismiss count one previously read into the record. Now the fine for improper plates is $145. Is there a mandatory fee attached to that, Madam Clerk?
Your Honor, she does owe 2 clearance fees.
Okay, so there will be a $90 clearance fee attached to that $145. And that's because Ms. Dixon, the Secretary of State, imposes a mandatory reinstatement fee on certain charges. You have 2 of those. So even when the case is dismissed, you may still owe that clearance fee, which you do. So your total is going to be 145 plus 90 is $235. Are you able to pay that in 30 days?
Yes, I also paid a bond. Does that go towards it?
Yes. How much was your bond?
I don't even remember. I paid it last year sometime.
Okay.
Close to
If you,
$200, Your Honor.
okay, so we can apply that $200 bond. So you'll only owe the difference, which is $35.
Yes, I can pay that today.
So just give the clerk time to enter this in the system. So either by the end of the day today or tomorrow, no later than tomorrow, it should be in the system and you'd be able to pay and get your clearance.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Any other questions?
No, do I come to the court and get the clearance?
You can pay online. Now, the clearance itself is going to come from the Secretary of State. Is that right, Ms. Roki and Madam Clerk?
Yes.
But you can pay the fines and costs online, 36districtcourt.org.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. And then you make your appointment with the Secretary of State to get your license reinstated.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. If you have no other questions, you may disconnect from the hearing.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anyone else ready for the live